One of Nigeria's leading financial institutions, Access Bank Plc, has commenced its 2021 Sustainability Awareness Week. Now, the event aims to raise awareness about the importance of sustainability within and outside the corporate environment. Blessed Omonose reports.
Effective awareness about sustainability has become a critical focal point in our local and international fora in the face of worsening public health crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, as this will help in changing the behavior and attitudes of individuals and organizations to foster a culture of protecting human health and the natural environment. This, among other issues, formed conversations at the 2021 Sustainable Awareness Week, put together by the bank. The message here is straight. Everyone has a role to play in contributing towards positive sustainability development. In demonstration of a strong commitment to all the pillars of sustainability, Head of Sustainability at Access Bank Plc, Mrs. Omobolale Vito Laniyon, posited that partnership remains important towards the attainment of the Sustainable Development Goals.
This year's Sustainability Awareness Week is themed Building Blocks for a Sustainable Future. All that we do really is aimed at ensuring that together we achieve the objectives of the SDGs aimed at being actualized by the year 2030.
Other respondents at the event urged government to strengthen its policy to attain sustainable financing in the country.
Sustainable finance basically is looking at the totality of integrating environmental, social and corporate governance in theory, but in practice we're looking at environmental sustainability, social sustainability, operational and occupational health and safety, corporate governance, community participation into funding instruments to ensure that development project actually does not cause harm but delivers positive value.
Obviously there's a need for extensive stakeholder engagement. The government cannot do this in isolation, nor can one business do it in isolation. So it's important that this inclusive and iterative engagement happens, because there needs to be opportunity for feedback.
With 9 years left towards the achievement of the SDGs, initiatives as these will certainly go a long way to bring about the necessary awareness needed to enable Nigerians and corporate organizations make meaningful contributions to support sustainable development across the country. Blessed Omonose, TVC News, Lagos.
Now, in a bid to create a positive change in the lives of youths and women in Badagry, Lagos State Ministry of Agriculture has empowered more than 190 youths and women in the fish cage culture system. State Commissioner for Agriculture, Ms. Abisola Ulusoya, who was represented by the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Agriculture, Hakeem Adeniji, explains that the project is aimed at developing aquaculture, improving nutrition and providing economic support for catfish farmers in the state. She said that each of the cages will be stocked with 1,000 juvenile catfish per cage under the Cage Culture Project, as well as a monthly stipend to help them succeed in the business. And speaking on behalf of the beneficiaries, the Bale of the community appreciated the state government for making the cage culture a success, assuring that each of the beneficiaries will fully maximize the opportunity provided to help them.
The objective of this is to empower the youth and women within this community especially. And I want to say that we have over 190 beneficiaries at this site. They were trained by our ministry on how to manage fish within the cage culture system, because it's a technology that is new and the one that we are still trying to propagate. And we are using this empowerment program as one of the strategies to propagate that technology.
In terms of security, you will notice that the cage is located within artisanal fishing communities. And so we engage with the traditional leaders, the Bale of the community, we engage security men from within the community. And so for this particular system, we have security men that have been engaged, that live within this community, work within this community, who are engaged to oversee the security of the infrastructure in this place. So we have very good security in terms of watch over our cages in this location.
I really appreciate the Ministry of Agric for the empowerment done to the youth and the women of the community. The first round have gone, and this is the second harvesting that's going to. I thank the Lagos State government and the community as a whole. On behalf of the community, I am appreciating